Morning guys, today I would like to show you a transformation of a patient who underwent transplant representing class 4 baldness with diffuse type. Predominantly is a male pattern baldness. Kindly watch this video to understand the kind of results we achieved and how could we get this kind of best outcome in one go. Well, this is a transformation journey of a patient aged 29 years with one session of FUE transplantation. Patient represented class 4 baldness, we can say, going to be class 5 because there is a grade 3 diffuse pattern also there in the mid scalp. Fine, some or other day you would end up in getting a class 5 baldness, provided best donor quality in the backside of the donor. So, well, we focused more on the frontal hairline and mid scalp, very little in the crown area because probably you would end up in losing more hair in the future. So we reserved some donor for the future in case if you want some other session that can be done in future. Well, with one go, we achieved a best outcome, impeccable results with very natural blending hairline and beautiful density. To achieve all this, we need to strategically play all the steps, meticulously implant the hair. You also should need during consultation kind of a sagacious surgeon to give you all the information, and surgeon should be candid enough to give you all the information about the procedure and transparency. And we need to motivate the patients with such a way that we are going to do this procedure though on daily basis. We need to show them some realities about the patient stories, kind of plausible results, believable, pragmatic results. Then only patient will get confidence. So this patient, actually speaking, a challenging kind of a patient for anybody because this represents even diffuse pattern also. That's a problem. It's not completely bald. Though this is a challenging case for surgery, the strategic way of doing this procedure with meticulous care would always gives you best results. That's what it is. And this is a beautiful transformation we achieved after 7.5 months. So this is the reason one should choose kind of best surgeon, a surgeon who can give you honest opinion, and we're going to get you a transparent information. With that, someone has a kind of aesthetic sense to do your transplant surgery will give you best outcome. Implanting grafts alone doesn't give you complete results because this hair transplantation surgery usually also associated with kind of a facial aesthetics. Your surgeon should have aesthetic sense, and that's the reason we have taken a natural blending hairline which is age appropriate and also suitable for his future needs. Thank you guys.